Hi guys, welcome on my YouTube channel Hub of Knowledge Mac. Today I am going to teach you how to generate internal audit checklist of MR. दोस्तों, अगर आप फ्रेशर हैं या फिर 1-2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है और आप अपना स्मार्ट करियर स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं, देन फ्रेंड्स फॉर स्टार्टिंग ए स्मार्ट करियर यू मस्ट हैव डॉक्यूमेंटेशन नॉलेज. फॉर गेटिंग स्मार्ट स्किल्स ज्वाइन आवर ट्रेनिंग सेंटर टू क्रिएटिंग योर ब्राइट फ्यूचर. दोस्तों, अगर आप किसी कारणवश डिग्री डिप्लोमा कंप्लीट होने के बाद जॉब नहीं कर पाते हैं और अपने करियर में पिछड़ रहे हैं, तो आप हमारे ट्रेनिंग सेंटर को ज्वाइन करने के बाद आप अपने बीते हुए समय को एक्सपीरियंस में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं और अपने करियर को रीस्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. Friends, if you are not getting a good job according to your experience and not getting increment in present organization because you don't have smart knowledge, after joining our training center you get good job and can switch to a good organization. Friends, we are providing all technical programs with perfect knowledge. If any candidate don't have the knowledge of Excel, PowerPoint, Word, then he can learn and increase his soft skills after joining our training center. Friends, once you increase your soft skills, you can generate all documents with self-knowledge and implement in any organization. After completion of training programs, the certificate will be provided soft copy as well as hard copy. Friends, this is our training course template. These all trainings are teaching with perfect knowledge of theoretical as well as practical on Excel sheet and PowerPoint. Friends, if you join our complete advanced training course as shown in template, then job guarantee is 100% after completion of training course. If any guys interested, can contact on the number given on screen. Friends, let's start how to make internal audit checklist for MR. MR stand on management representative according to IATF 16949 2016. Here company name, here title of internal audit check sheet, here document number, here area management representative, here name of auditor, here name of auditee, here time of audit and shift of audit. This is serial number, checkpoint, close number, observation, status and remarks. So first point is the master list of documents maintained as per clause number 7.5. Friends, when we are going to list down a audit checklist, we must have to correlate with standard clause number. So the master list of document is related to standard clause number 7.5. Let's move standard clause number 7.5 in IATF clause number 7.5. Clause is documented information. Documented information requires identification and description, format and media, review and approval. Friends, this documentation information earlier was known as control of document in ISO TS clause number 4.2.3 and record of document was 4.2.4. Second point is the latest revision level document available at all the relevant location. It is also related to standard clause number 7.5. According to this checkpoint, we have implemented all updated documented at the point of use. And third point is the retention period defined and maintained for quality records related to QMS. This checkpoint is related to 7.5.32.1. Let's move the standard clause number in IATF standard. 75321 record retention. This section now requires a record retention process that is defined and documented and that includes the organization's record retention requirements. specifically calls out production part approvals, tooling records, product and process design records, purchase orders and contracts amendments etc. If there is no customer or regulatory agency retention period requirements for these type of record, the length of time that the product is active for production and service requirements plus 1 calendar year. Friends, fourth checkpoint is there an internal audit available? This internal audit related to 9.2. 9.2 is internal audit program. So during audit, you must check the internal audit program according to defined frequency in internal audit procedure, and you must check the competency criteria of internal auditor. It must be defined in internal audit procedure. Friends, during conducting audit, if you have any kind of observation, it may be positive or it may be negative, you must fill this observation column. Fifth checkpoint is the audit schedule and the audit reports indicate that all the QMS activities and all the manufacturing process being verified. It is also related to 9.2.2.2. Friends, you have to check auditee must include all the manufacturing process during audit according to plan. Sixth point is there evidence that the timely action has been taken for all the NCR raised and reviewed after implementation? This is also related to 9.2 and 7.5. According to this check sheet, you have to verify non-conformities record, or you can say summary of non-conformities and their corrective and preventive action and their follow-up record. Friends, before starting audit, auditor demands procedure from the auditee. According to procedure, he checked all activities and control records. This is time frame for closing NC. Friends, during audit, auditor will find a non-conformity and he will provide a action plan. So auditee must fill the actions according to NCs. So what is the criteria for closing NCs? Here NC closure time, here type of NC major minor, here I stand for opportunity for improvement, and second one is O positive. O positive means you need not require any action. It means you have all records according to standard and according to procedure. For closing NC, the temporary action you must taken in 8 hours for major non-conformities, and opportunity for improvement you can take in 2 days. Permanent corrective action for major NCs you can take 3 days, and for improvement of opportunities you can take in 2 weeks. Here, revision history of internal audit check sheet for management representative. This is the revision level. Here, details of change. Here, detail and reference. Here, signature of auditor and sign of auditee. Friends, I hope you got understand how to make internal audit check sheet of MR according to IATF 16949 2016. Thank you.